Good morning and welcome to our assembly on Wednesday the 15th of July, where we celebrate the excellence of the children at Bethersden Primary School. This is our penultimate assembly of the year and we look forward to a special assembly next week which will celebrate the learning that's taken place across the whole academic year at our school. We look forward to celebrating lots and lots of achievements and also a few hopefully special surprises to bring to you as well. We'll start this week's assembly in Bumblebee class as we traditionally do. The first award of the week is presented to Faye. Faye, your team are so proud of how hard you've been working since you came back to school a few weeks ago. You've been doing well with your maths and trying hard with both your writing and also your reading. You've also been playing with your friends so beautifully, which has been lovely to see. That comes with a big well done from Mrs Osborne, Miss Hoogan, Miss Finn and Mrs Grace. On this page you can see some of the lovely writing that Faye has been doing and also hard at work in our creative area, doing some beautiful block painting. Well done to you, Faye. Here you can see some of the number work that Ethan has been working on and also some beautiful drawing that he has been doing over the last week. Moving into our class. Our first award of the week is presented to Charlie. Charlie, it's been wonderful watching your confidence grow over the past year and seeing you become a strong member of the class team. It's been a pleasure to see the pride you're taking in your learning, and it's clear in all the effort you put in that everybody can see that. Your approach to your home learning and your adaptation to a different situation has been noticed by all, and we are very, very proud of you. It comes with a big well done from Miss Hughes and Mrs Taylor. Our second award of the week is presented to Harrison, just for being you. You've been a model pupil here at Bethersden Primary School and we are so proud to have you as part of our team. It's been a joy getting to know you over the last year and it's been wonderful to see how you've grown. Your exemplary behaviour and attitude towards learning hasn't gone unnoticed and your pride towards your home learning has been wonderful to see. It's been great to see how you've adapted so well, and that comes from Miss Hughes and Mrs Taylor. Here you can see a beautiful example of the animal life cycles work that Harrison completed last week and also his fantasy island based on what looks like Mickey Mouse. A huge well done to you, Harrison, and well done. Now moving into Dear class. Miss Bennett and Miss Simpson have presented the first award of the week to you, Delta Louise, for the mature attitude you show towards all aspects of your learning. You arrive at school every day ready to learn and you work to a very, very high standard. Your team have been so impressed by your recent descriptive writing in English and you've also worked accurately in maths. Your enthusiasm has continued into the wider learning subjects where you've produced beautiful artwork, made a French book and explored Bible stories. So a big well done to you from Miss Simpson and Miss Bennett. You can pause the video here to have a closer look at some of the setting description and also the postcard that Delta Louise has been writing. Our second award of the week is presented to Everett for consistently completing your maths home learning tasks. You've worked hard and with accuracy in maths, applying a range of procedures effectively. In English, you've written in a variety of styles with great success. They particularly enjoyed your postcard writing. All of your work is presented to a very high standard, so well done from Miss Bennett and Miss Simpson. Again, you can pause the video here to have a look at some of the partitioning work that Everett has completed and also the beautiful postcard to Mum, Dad and Susie. Well done to you, Everett. Moving into Otter class, our awards for this week are presented to Thomas. Thomas, we know that learning at home is not always easy, so we're delighted to see that you've added some Badger facts to support your drawing. You've worked hard on your creative writing this week with lots of lovely description for us to all enjoy. You also completed 6 problem solving tasks, so well done, Thomas. That comes from Mrs Green, Mrs Moss and Miss Mexter. Here you can see the beautiful writing that Thomas has been producing, and I would encourage you to pause the video now and to spend a few minutes reading it and enjoying it, and also learning some important facts about badgers. Our second award of the week is presented to Erica, who has persevered with your home learning throughout lockdown. We were particularly impressed with your last creative writing task, which you proudly submitted as all your own work. So a huge well done to you. We look forward to seeing your lovely smile in our Zoom meetings, and you always have something interesting to share. You've produced a wonderful fact file all about badgers, and next year we know you'll make a brilliant badger. So well done from Mrs. Green, Mrs. Moss and Miss Mexter. Here you can pause the video and share in some of the writing that Erica has been producing. So there's her badger fact file. Now moving into Fox Club class, our first award of the week is presented to Emma. Emma, you had a day out of school last week to visit your new home in Clovelly in Cornwall, where you've been moving to over the summer holidays. Although you could have treated this as a day off, on your own initiative you decided to turn it into a learning experience by taking notes and collecting information and resources, which you used to deliver an excellent presentation to all your class friends. We're all jealous of the beautiful location that you're moving to, and we'll miss you greatly. Wish you all the best for you and your family in Cornwall. And that comes from Mr. Clark and everybody at Bethersden Primary School. Here you can see Emma presenting the research she carried out to her classmates last week. And our second award of the week is presented to Phoebe. Phoebe, you'll be the first to agree that maths is not your strongest subject. However, throughout the week, you've worked hard with me on your place value and in particular adding and subtracting decimal numbers to 3 places. You showed great maturity and determination, never giving up, and you maintained a great sense of humour throughout. Phoebe, Mr. Clark is incredibly proud of you, so well done and make sure you keep that up into next year. Here's Phoebe working very, very hard using the place value counters to support her learning. Now moving into Fox class, our Year 6 children have been very busy over the last week. And our first award of the week is presented to Ellie. Ellie, you have taken on the large and somewhat intimidating role of COVID-19 in our play. He is the total opposite of you in personality, but you've taken on this challenge and made a fabulous grotty germ. Mrs. Green cannot get through a rehearsal without a tear in her eye when you sing your solo, which is simply beautiful. Your kind, helpful and hard-working attitude will serve you well as you move on to secondary school. That award comes from Mrs. Green and Mrs. Smith. Now, we were hoping to show you a little clip here, but I've been told to keep it secret until the day. Now, we will be presenting our performance on YouTube in the coming days, so do watch out for the parent mail, which will give you details of how to enjoy the Year 6 performance. Our second award of the week is presented to Taylor Dean. Taylor Dean, your wonderful attitude and excitement towards our production is infectious. Your genuine enthusiasm has been evident right from the start. You always put in 100% and even been rehearsing out of school. You always attend every practice with an enviable amount of energy, and you've suggested changes and helped with the dance moves, not only for yourself but for others who needed some support. Well done and thank you to you. That comes from Mrs. Green and Mrs. Smith. Again, the plans for the play are secretly under wraps at the moment, but will be released later on this week. Now moving on to our birthdays for the week, we have 2 to celebrate this week. One is for Kobe. Kobe, you'll be turning 10, and Jaden, you will be hitting the milestone of 11. We wish you both a very happy and enjoyable day with whatever you have planned. Now, our ever popular class drop-ins will take a slightly different tone from next week. We'll be having an end of year celebration with each class together. With the following times, Bumblebee class will be getting together, both our reception and year 1 bubbles, on Tuesday at 10 o'clock for a celebration of their hard work this year. Our class, yours will be on Tuesday at 10:45. Dear class on Tuesday at 11:30. Otter class, you'll be meeting up together at 1 p.m. and Fox class, both year 5 and year 6, will be meeting together on Tuesday at 1:30. These will be special ones with both the children at home and those in school joining together to reflect on the difficult year we have had and a chance to say goodbye before the summer break. More details will be sent out later in the week. Now, I'm delighted to say that yesterday we posted out all of the children's end of year celebration reports and also sent you some information regarding the reopening in September. Please do make sure you check those and read the report with a great deal of pride, making sure you celebrate them and share them with your child. There will be further information coming out with regards to the reopening in September, which will be important that you read, so please do check your parent mails on a regular basis. We'll get the information out to you in the most timely manner we can. If you're having any problems with parent mail, please do let the office know as soon as possible. I will give you some contact details very shortly. Just to say that in September we'll be unable to accept cash payments, so if you haven't yet set up Pay Plus, we'd encourage you to do that over the summer holidays. And again, any difficulties you're having with that, please do let us know at your earliest convenience so we can support you and help you get set up ready for that. Now, several ways again you can stay in touch with us over the closure. Obviously our website contains lots and lots of important information and all the statutory information with regards to the reopening. Our Twitter feed contains lots of fun and interesting things that are taking place both in school and out of school. You're watching this video on our YouTube channel, and we hope to be posting more videos up here in the very near future, including our end of year Year 6 performance, which should be posted on Thursday. Details will be sent out via parent mail. Our email addresses continue to be families@bethersden.kent.sch.uk for any general inquiries. And if you have any concerns over the children or families of our school, please contact us using safeguarding@bethersden.kent.sch.uk. That email address is monitored only by the leadership group team, and your emails will be treated in the strictest of confidence. Our school office is also open now for phone calls between the hours of 8 AM and 3 PM each day. The phone number, just to remind you, is 01233 820 479. I'd like to thank you for joining us today as we celebrate the excellence of the children at Bethersden Primary School. Make sure you tune in next week for our special end of year celebration. Take care of yourselves for this week, and we'll speak to you all very, very shortly. Bye for now.